Hi everyone, Andrew from Online Coins and Collectibles and Unplugged Games here, just with a quick product review for you today. Hey, we've got a great new product that we've had in store recently. It's been very popular and everyone's been chasing it. We're recently out of stock, but we've got them back in this week. And that product is the BCW 3200 count plastic trading card bin. We're going to give you a bit of a demo today, show it off to you and show you the benefits, and we've got a bit of a giveaway at the end of the video for anyone who wishes to purchase one of these off us while stocks last. And here it is outside of its packaging. As I said, I'm going to run through some of the features and benefits of the storage box for you. And at the end of the video, we're going to have a little bit of a giveaway for anyone who purchases the storage boxes off us while stocks last. So the first thing you notice is these little recesses in the top of the box. That's so they can stack. If we have a look at the bottom of the unit, we'll see that there's these little feet on the bottom. They sit neatly into the top of the box, so you can stack these multiple boxes high for improved storage of your collection. Next feature you'll see, it's got these little sliding lock pieces here, so that's so the tops don't fly open. So when you close it, you just put that shut, open them, and they open up. Then we see this little hinge piece here. Well, that's so the flaps can go folded over and underneath, making a nice little open piece for you to work on. Next feature, as you'll see, that there's these clear windows in the front of the trays. Now, that's designed so you can stick a card in there to show what's in each tray. Look, everything about this is just really cool for organising a collection. Next feature, you'll see that there's 8 divisions here, but these dividers are removable and they can be moved to different locations within the bin, depending on what your needs are. These dividers are available separately. We don't have any at the moment, they're on back order, but we can certainly get those in the future for you. Now, the other great thing about this storage box, compared to some of the cardboard storage boxes that are out there, is that you can store so many different things. So obviously you can store your single trading cards, bit of room to move, but anyway, sleeve cards, they go in just fine. Cards in top loaders, not a problem, store in there nice and easily. Finally, cards in magnetics or similar screw downs, fit in there just nice, allowing you to store them and close the lid. You can also fit your deck boxes, fit in there just nicely, and your hard plastic cases as well. So as you can see everyone, these BCW card bins are a fantastic way to store your collection. Once it's all put in there, fold the lids over, lock it up, and you're away. And as I said, you can stack these multiple high. Now, here's the promo we're going to do while we've got stocks lasting. Anyone who purchases one of these, if you place an order online, we're going to give you 200 random commons. So whether you play Magic, whether you play Flesh and Blood, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, when you place your order, just put in the notes, I love Magic or I love Pokemon, and we'll throw in a couple of hundred, random mixed commons for you. Might be something of interest there for you, but hey, we'll throw in those for you for a limited time only. Anyway, guys and girls, thank you very much for your time. I'll catch you again soon with another review.